Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these softy, fluffy and delicious chapatis. They are layered, tender and perfect to enjoy with tea, beans and stew or your favorite meal. So let's get started. Start by measuring about 1.5 kilogram of wheat flour in your bowl. You can use any bowl first. To prepare the dough, I begin by adding half tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar to the flour. The sugar helps give the chapati a nice flavor, real nice flavor, while the salt enhances the overall taste of your chapati. Next, I proceed by adding heated cooking oil in the mixture of our wheat flour. You can stay using a fork because the heated oil is still hot. Then you can proceed your hands when it has cooled. So you can just like stir using your hand until the mixture is a little bit smooth. That's when you can proceed with adding warm water. I'm using about half a liter of warm water, adding it little by little while mixing. Warm water helps create a soft dough that is very easy to knead. So keep kneading your dough until it becomes soft and soft and elastic. This step is very important because a well-kneaded dough will produce softy and fluffy chapatis. So keep kneading your dough until it is a little bit non-sticky. At the end it can be a little sticky, but don't worry because it is chapati, so it doesn't need to be a hard dough. Just make sure it's not that sticky. Once the dough is ready, if you did use a pan to heat your oil, there's some leftover cooking oil, you can just pour some on your dough, or you can just like rub it on the pan to have that oily, and also helps to reduce it from becoming more sticky. Let the dough sit for an hour to 1.5 hours by covering it with a towel in your kitchen, ready for it to be kneaded into chapatis. Looking at our dough, it has become really soft and elastic. As you can see, it is very stretchy, which is good. Use a wooden board or the counter of your kitchen. Start dividing the dough into small, evenly sized balls to ensure that you have the same size chapati. Then add flour to your board to avoid it to be sticky while rolling out your ball. Next, roll out the ball and lightly coat it with cooking oil into a spiral shape. You know, creating this spiral shape is one of the secrets in creating layered chapatis. Also incorporating air, which is good in making them to be very fluffy. As you can see here, while stretching your dough, it is a little bit stretchy and you have started to incorporate air. Then now you coat it with oil. Yes, as you can see here, coat it with cooking oil. Then start spiraling it, folding it into a spiral shape. and let it sit for some time while you proceed with the other evenly sized balls. I'll proceed in doing the second ball, making it into a spiral shape so that you can have a clear understanding on how making the spiral shape and incorporating air, which is a crucial and a little secret in making a soft layered chapati. So let's proceed together. So one key note for you to know that you have mastered your dough, after you have rolled it out, it is stretchy. As you can see here, it was really stretchy and elastic. And this is the final look of our spiral balls. Now I add flour into my wooden board, and I take one spiral ball and gently roll it into a circular shape like this. I try not to press it too hard so that the layers remain intact. The layers were formed while you are folding it into a spiral shape. This is a closer look of your circular shaped dough. Once rolled out, the chapatis are ready for cooking. The good part here. I place them on a hot pan and cook each side until golden brown, just like this, as you can see. As they cook, you can start to see the beautiful layers forming. Keep adding oil. Once you add first the chapatis, do not add oil, but when you flip it, add the cooking oil and continue flipping the chapati until it is perfectly done. So your chapatis will be soft on the inside and lightly golden on the outside. And place them in a hot pot or cover them using a towel to avoid them from breaking or becoming hard. Once you place them in a hot pot, you are preserving the moisture of the chapati, or when you cover them with a towel. This is also a key note after making your chapati in the pan. Proceed with the rest of the spiral shape. As you can see here, there's some bubbles that have been formed, like air bubbles, which is good. Means your chapati will be formed. It will be very soft and layered. As I said once again, add the chapati, the circular chapati, in your pan before adding cooking oil. After the one side has been cooked, that's when you'll be adding cooking oil. Like here, just brush it off using a brush. Yes, just like this. Then let the other side also cook. When you flip, then add the cooking oil. Yeah, that's it. Yes, like here, then you add again cooking oil to avoid it from becoming hard. Yeah. the best part. And here is the final result. Soft, fluffy layered chapatis that are absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more homemade recipes. See you in my next cooking video. Let us enjoy our soft and layered chapatis. Thank you.